Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a tab in Google Sheets. Locking a tab helps protect important information and prevents others from editing specific sheets in your spreadsheet. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, open the Google Sheets file that contains the tab you want to protect. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, find the tab you want to protect. Click the down arrow next to the tab name. From the menu, select Protect Sheet. A Protection Settings panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Click Set Permissions to choose who can edit this tab. You can select Show a Warning when editing this range if you want users to receive a warning before making changes, or choose Restrict who can edit this range to control who has permission to edit the tab. If the spreadsheet is shared with multiple people, you can assign editing permissions to specific users. To completely lock the tab, select Only You so that only your account can make changes. After choosing your settings, click Done. The tab is now protected, and other users will not be able to edit it unless they have permission. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to lock a tab in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.